at the target. Prepare to fire. I see a hit on the target.
Starboard the helm. We are under fire. Combat Unit 5. Assess the damage. Helm aport. Stand by for action. All hands, battle stations. Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
Establishing visual contact.
Fire at the enemy. Hard aport. Captain, the target has been captured.
Attacking missile heading towards us spotted.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
Attention. Critical damage to the ship.
Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations. Abandoned ship. Lifeboats into the water. Both engines. Half speed ahead.
Keeping watch.
Establish visual contact.
Keeping watch.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missile launched. Target hit.
Establishing visual contact.
Hard aport. The target is within range. Permission to open fire requested. Fire at the enemy. Port the helm. Captain, the target has been captured. Half ahead. 25 knots ahead. Enemy missile attack.
Our ship is under enemy attack.
Fire on command. Harbor integrity focus. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Fire at the enemy. All crew immediately abandon ship. Establish visual contact. Hard aport. We've been discovered. Assume your positions according to the combat schedule.
Establishing visual contact.
Establish visual contact. Helm aport. Fire on command.
I see a hit on the target.
Torpedo to the enemy ship. Enter 3 coordinates. Engines full speed.
Establishing visual contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missiles ready for launch. Waiting for target designation. Establish visual contact. Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
Keeping watch.
Hard aport.
Establishing visual contact.
Permission to open fire requested. Torpedo fired. Fire on command. Severe damage taken. Captain, the target has been captured.
being watched.